And thank you for spending the day serving as our MC. You've done a great job, and we're really glad that you could do that for us. So there's a lot of people have been up here today and had disclaimers about what they're not. So I am not a historian. I am not a scholar. I'm passionate about a park. I'm the chair of the board of the Belle Isle Conservancy. Belle Isle is the only island park Frederick Sr. ever designed, and it sits in the middle of the Detroit River, the international waterway between Michigan and Canada. And we could go on forever about the emergency manager and the state of the city and all of that. But I want to tell you, as a Detroiter and someone who is very proud of the place, it is my second home. I've lived there for 18 years, though I grew up in Massachusetts. It is a tale of two cities, and you can't believe everything you read. The city is an abysmal fiscal place, but it is full of people, full of optimism, who are working hard, and they want nothing more than to see this city be the city that it can be. And it is full of young people like my son, who's an urban planner, working on the Detroit Future City, which is the plan that takes the city to 2050. So we will overcome. From the ashes we will arise, which is the motto of the city, and we will be back. It is a wonderful place full of some of the best people you've ever met in your life. So I want to thank you all for being here today. This has been wonderful. You know, when you plan something like this, you just put your heart in your throat and hope you get the audience that you want. So thanks for being here, because you were the audience we wanted, and you were here for us on this miserable rainy day, and we didn't know it because we're inside this beautiful building all day. I want to thank all of our panelists and our speakers who took the time to prepare and teach us today. And I hope all of you came away, as I have, learning so much that you didn't know. So much I thought that senior did, and really it wasn't senior, it was junior. I want to thank Chase Rind and the National Building Museum and his staff for helping us put this all together. Our symposium sponsors and partners, the American Society of Landscape Architects, the East Bay Regional Parks District, the American Planning Association, the Trust for the National Mall, the Stephen and Margaret Gill Family Foundation, and I'm going to say something that maybe I shouldn't, but you all ought to know, and that is Stephen Gill is Rick's grandson, and has been a wonderful, wonderful supporter of the NAOP for a long time. The Save the Redwoods League and the National Trust for Historic Preservation. And I get my 2 minutes to shamelessly promote the National Association for Olmsted Parks, which has worked since the 1980s to preserve the Olmsted legacy and be a resource for those who want to preserve and revitalize historic landscapes, as well as create new green spaces to build healthier, more living communities. Our members are a coalition of design and preservation professionals, historic property and park managers, scholars, municipal officials, citizen activists, and representatives of numerous Olmsted organizations. We encourage you all to become members. There's our brochure available on the table at the back. It is through the support of our membership that we cover our operating costs and are able to go on doing the work that we do and consulting and helping others preserve historic landscapes. So thank you all. And then my last promotional moment is to talk about our vision for the American West, this part 2 of our symposium, which will take place in Stanford, in Palo Alto, California, on March 27th and 28th, 2014. So I hope that you will all join us there, and I thank you again for being here with us today. And we look forward to carrying on Olmsted's legacy in any way we can in our respective cities. Thank you.